Hello, my dear children, very good morning. You're most welcome in class 11th accountancy. Still now you have learned about the rectification of errors. It has been finished. Now the new chapter will begin named financial statements. The meaning of the financial statement, we have to study users of the financial statements, meaning, need and preparation of profit and loss account, meaning, need and preparation of trading account, operating profit and net profit, meaning, need and preparation of balance sheet, grouping and marshalling of assets and liabilities, classification of assets and liabilities, distinction between tangible and intangible assets, distinction between trial balance and balance sheet. We will learn in this chapter. The financial statement, first part, how this one is prepared, what's the item, how the trading account is prepared, balance sheet is prepared, profit and loss account is prepared, will be explained in this chapter. My dear children, first, meaning of financial statement. Financial statements refer to such statement which report the profitability and the financial position of the business at the end of accounting period. The term financial statements includes at least two basic statements, which are first, income statement, trading and profit and loss account, which shows results of business operations during an accounting period. And second one, statement of financial position or balance sheet which shows financial position of an enterprise at a specified point of time. According to John and Mayer, the financial statement provide a summary of accounts of a business enterprise. The balance sheet reflecting the assets and liabilities and capital as on certain date, and the income statement showing the results of operations during a certain period. This one is the meaning of the financial statement. I mean to say, just the financial statement is a statement which shows the financial performance and financial position of the business. This one is the conclusion. Just you can define the financial statement, means reflecting the assets and liabilities, showing the summary of the accounts of the business enterprise, and other information, etc. By preparing the financial statement, we can ascertain the profit and loss of the business and the strength, financial strength of the business. By preparing trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet of the business. These two terms included together, they are called the final accounts, means trading account and profit and loss account. Now, one thing I would like to tell you more. In modern times, my dear children, in addition to the aforesaid two basic financial statement, I mean to say the trading account and profit and loss account, except two other statements, namely a statement of retained earnings and a cash flow statement are also generally included in financial statement. In cash flow statement, just the outflow and inflow of the cash flow statement will be taught in class 12. But in modern times, except of these two terms, profit and loss and trading account, just the included in financial statement of retained earnings and cash flow statements. Remember, points to be remembered. Just objectives of preparing the financial statement. What may be the objective? According to the definition, we can ascertain the objective of financial statement. How? What may be they are? First, after preparing the financial statement, whether the trading and profit and loss account, the businessman can present a true and fair view of the financial performance, that is profit or loss of the business. Means first objective to ascertain the financial performance of the business, my dear. Remember, financial performance of the business can be ascertained by preparing the trading and profit and loss account. This one is the first objective of the financial statement. Second one, my dear, by preparing the balance sheet of the in financial statement, balance sheet of the organization, we can present a true and fair view of the financial position. Financial position, that is the assets and liabilities of the business. Acquisition of assets and liabilities. So remember, these are the two objectives of the business organization by preparing the financial statement. These are ascertain the financial performance of the business and the financial position of the business. Users of financial statement. Who are the users of financial statement? कौन कौन लोग हो सकते हैं? Now listen carefully and go through your notebook. Information provided by financial statement is used by the management, investors, creditors, employees, government, etc. These are the users of the financial statement. The utility of financial statement to different parties is as first, how the management use the financial statement. First party, management of the business. Management the financial statement help the management in assessing the profitability of various activities and various departments. Whatever the activities taken place in the organization, and the performance of the various department established in the organization. With the help of financial statement, management can assess, and on the basis of the management can review the progress of the business and take decision for controlling the not profitable activities. I mean to say, बेटा मैं भूल गया था, आप लोग हिंदी कहते हैं कि हमारा बिजनेस इस ए फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट के तहत हमारा बिजनेस किस पोजीशन में जा रहा है, कहाँ कहाँ पर हम कमी है, कहाँ कहाँ पर किस बात की है ज़रूरत है, वो इस फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट के थ्रू जो प्रबंध तंत्र होता है व्यवसाय का, इस बात को सुनिश्चित कर लेता है और निर्णय लेता है और उन अनिश्चितताओं को रोकता है जिनसे व्यवसाय को कोई प्रॉफिट नहीं। तो देखा आपने मैनेजमेंट कैसे, मैनेजमेंट के लिए क्या उपयोगिता है फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट की। दूसरा आ गए इन्वेस्टर्स, निवेशक। दे कैन ऑल्सो दोज who have invested the money in the organization, they can assess the short term and long term financial soundness and earning capacity of the business. With the help of financial statement, they can assess the earning capacity of the business and long term, short term financial soundness. So, and with the help of financial statement, they can also study the trend of sales, trend of profits, shortcomings, and the prospectus of future growth of the enterprise. वो जान जाएंगे इस फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट की सहायता से। जो इन्वेस्टर हैं तभी वो अपना पैसा आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में निवेश करते हैं। अगर जो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट न बनाया जाए तो कोई आपके व्यवसाय में पैसा निवेश नहीं करेगा। शॉर्ट टर्म क्रेडिटर्स, क्रेडिटर्स जो लेदार हैं, दोज who have supplied the raw materials and other materials, means the items are purchased on credit. Short term creditors are short term money lenders, जैसे छोटे छोटे ऋण और इकाइयाँ वो भी यूजर्स होते हैं। वो ये जानने के लिए, ये इससे उत्सुकता उनकी बढ़ती है, इस फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट की सहायता से वो जान जाएंगे कि ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमारे ऋण को चुका पाएगा कि नहीं समय से। तो जब ड्यू होगा और इंटरेस्ट जो होगा तो तभी वो क्रेडिट अलाउ करेंगे एंटरप्राइज को। लॉन्ग टर्म क्रेडिटर्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट they may determine first whether the enterprise will be able to pay the interest consistently। भाई कमाई रहेगी तभी वो लगातार ब्याज की रकम देगा। and the company second one and the company will be able to pay their debts when due, जब उसकी डिमांड हो, कर्ज देने की तिथि आवे वापस करने की, तो कंपनी जो है ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कर पाएगा कि नहीं। इन सब चीजों ऑन दिस बेसिस दे मे ऑल्सो डिसाइड टू एक्सटेंड, मेंटेन और रेस्ट्रिक्ट द लोन्स extended to the enterprise, और इस आधार पर वो एंटरप्राइज को लोन प्रदान करें। एम्प्लॉइज एंड ट्रेड यूनियंस on the basis of financial statement they can judge as to how much bonus and increment in their wages or salary is possible from the profits of the enterprise। इस फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट के तहत कर्मचारी भी इससे सुनिश्चित होते हैं कि प्रॉफिट कमाई है कंपनी, तो हमारे वेतन में, हमारे मजदूरी में, या हमको दिवाली पर बोनस, ये सारा कुछ मिल सकता है। तो ये भी यूज करते हैं, ये उपयोगिता है यूज करते हैं। छठा, गवर्नमेंट, सरकार। गवर्नमेंट यूजेस द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट टू स्टडी द प्रॉफिट मार्जिन ऑफ वेरियस इंडस्ट्री। भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की इंडस्ट्री जो है उस प्रॉफिट मार्जिन क्या है, टू अनाउंस, ये घोषणा करने के लिए, और विड्रॉ वेरियस कंसेशन, या भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की जो छूट देती है, एंड टू इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज द एक्साइज ड्यूटी, जो कर लगाए जाते हैं उसमें छूट दी जाए कि उसे और बढ़ा दिया जाए या उसमें कमी की जाए, इस तरह की निर्णय गवर्नमेंट, तो गवर्नमेंट इस तरह से यूज करती है। जो होता है उनका प्रॉफिट मार्जिन को स्टडी करती है और सारी चीज़ों। टैक्सेशन अथॉरिटीज, दे यूज द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ assessment of income tax, sales tax, etc. or GST. इससे by watching the financial statement they can assess the such whether the taxes are should be imposed on the particular organization or not. Other users such as trade associations, consumers organizations, researchers, etc. are more persons are the users। तो बेटा आप देखेंगे कि इस तरह से इतने का आप नोट्स बनाएंगे और इस तरह से फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट का डेफिनेशन है। थैंक यू। प्रिपेयर